What if I told you that you're sitting on a gold mine, but you just can't see it? You don't need capital, a fancy degree, or even a business background to start making serious money. Yet, most people keep waiting for the right time, while opportunities pass them by. By the time they realize what they've lost, someone else has already made a fortune. Today, I'm going to reveal 5 powerful offline businesses that you can start with zero investment. Businesses that work especially well in India. So, if you're tired of watching others succeed while you stay stuck, pay close attention. Because by the end of this video, you'll walk away with real strategies you can start using today. But stay with me till the end, because I've saved the most profitable and unexpected business idea for last. Let's dive in. 1. Local service brokering. You get paid without doing the work. Imagine this. You don't clean houses, fix appliances, or move furniture, but you still get paid like a business owner. How? You become a middleman or woman. Local businesses are constantly looking for customers, but they don't always know where to find them. That's where you come in. Let's say you find someone who needs a carpenter. Instead of doing the job yourself, you connect them to a local carpenter and take a referral fee. Zero investment. Just your phone, your network, and a little hustle. And here's the kicker. Once you build relationships with local businesses, they start coming to you for clients. This is how you turn a simple side hustle into a predictable cash flow machine. Look, unless you enjoy fixing furniture at 2 a.m., why not get paid without getting your hands dirty? 2. Event organizing. Get paid to bring people together. Did you know people will pay you just to plan an event? No, not as a guest, but as the person who made it happen. From weddings to corporate meetups, every event needs someone to coordinate vendors, book venues, and handle logistics. And guess what? You don't need upfront money to start. You simply secure clients first and use their payment to book everything else. Think of it this way. You're just putting the puzzle pieces together and getting paid to do it. But here's where it gets really exciting. There's an industry that pays even more for event planners. And we'll get to that soon. 3. Freelance consulting. Sell your knowledge, not your time. You might think, but I'm not an expert in anything. Well, let me tell you something. If you know even 10% more than the average person about something, you can sell that knowledge. Small businesses desperately need guidance on marketing, sales, or even basic business strategies. If you can help them, even in a small way, they will pay. And the best part? Your income is unlimited. Unlike a job where you're trading time for money, as a consultant, you set the price. Would you rather make 500 Indian rupees an hour at a job or 5,000 Indian rupees for a 1-hour call? Yeah, I thought so. 4. Home-Tiffin service. Turn your kitchen into a money-making machine. If you can cook, you can make money. Home-cooked meals are in high demand. Office-goers, students, and elderly people prefer healthy, homemade food over restaurant meals. Start small, cook for a few neighbors, or list your service on WhatsApp and Facebook groups. Soon, word of mouth will skyrocket your orders. And here's a secret. If you offer a monthly subscription plan, your income becomes stable and predictable. And speaking of making money from home, the last business idea on our list is something that could completely change your financial future. 5. Education tutoring. Help students and earn consistent income. Education is big business in India. Parents invest heavily in tutoring, whether it's school subjects, competitive exams, or spoken English classes. If you have expertise in any subject, you can start teaching right from home or online with zero investment. Platforms like UrbanPro, Vedantu, or even local word-of-mouth referrals can get you started. And the best part? The demand never stops. 5 powerful businesses. Zero investment. So what's stopping you? Right now you have 2 choices. Take action and build a life of wealth, or do nothing and keep watching others get ahead. And if you really want to make money work for you, you need to understand the power of compounding. Click here to watch my next video on how compounding can turn even small investments into life-changing wealth. See you there.